Alright, y'all. I am here to do another video. And in this one, I'm going to be basically just doing a cleanup on the back porch. So, yeah. It's been a while since I've done one. So I figured if I do one now, no one's going to get annoyed. So anyway, we're going to use the Singer System 90. I do indeed wish I could put a new bulb in it, but of course I ain't got no bulbs. But anyway, here we go. Uh-oh, won't fit. Gonna have to move this over. Alright, now I don't know what that white stuff is, but it's definitely not a powder. I think it might be Epsom salt, so I'll have to make sure I clean the fan, or not the fan, but the bolt that the fan goes on really good. I think I saw a few methods to make sure that that happens, because I know salt will rust something. Though usually I think it has to be wet, so maybe it won't hurt it, but I'm still not going to take any chances. Anyway, that's it for this one. I do wish I could do more, but I'm kind of running out of time here. I just cleared my mind a bit from the chaos that's going around all day. So, yeah, and I figured I'd go ahead and get a video out, and I've decided to use the Singer. So anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't already. And until next time, bye y'all.